Greetings, Nelson here with another video. This video is for instructional purposes only, use at your own risk. Today we're going to talk about make on a part of a series that we're going to make on the webrtc-cast technology and utilizing that. There's a lot of people that have inquired, how do I set this up in kiosk mode? And there's a script included in the project that actually is going to do this, and that's what we're going to cover today. So let's get started. What I have here is a device that I want to turn into a listening kiosk, namely for casting. And so I have a default Debian install with just the terminal only enabled on this. So it's a fresh install. So I'm going to log into this for us. And I'm going to escalate my privileges. And here I've got the root user now. My permissions are super user. And I have a little file here where I'm cloning the project. And essentially that's the command I'm running. The project is on the web, but essentially I'm going to clone that and we're going to get started from there. So, and again, the purpose and intent of this is to turn a device into a kiosk type casting device that is listening for the client to connect and screen share with a cast and some of the other technologies it can do. But that's the basic thing. So I'm going to cat that over here and fire off a shell. Okay, I'm not going to cat that over there and fire off a shell. I think I better install Git first. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so we've cloned the project now. I'm going to move into the web directory there and the contrib. This is where we're going to move to our cursor. And if we look around in here, the script we're looking for is this kiosk install. Again, I'm already escalated my permissions to be the root user, so I'm just going to run this script and it's going to help us. It's going to install all the necessary packages and everything to turn this device into a fully cast compliant device. So I'm probably going to speed this up here because this takes I think we're getting close to installing all the software that we need. It's updating the INIT RAMFS. And upon this then, I can't remember the exact order of the script how I wrote that, but it's going to create an account, and in that account then we want to make sure and clone in a few things, namely the package again, the webrtc cast, and then it creates some self-signed certificates and it installed all the Node.js stuff that it needs, and we're ready for a reboot. And if everything went well, when we reboot, it's going to fire off a display manager with Chromium in full screen, and it's going to be ready to cast. And in the effort to keep the videos as concise as possible, I'm going to speed the boot process up just a little bit. And there we go. If you look in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see in the status indication, the first little cloud icon is internet connectivity. The second one is a socket server. And the next one is actually the casting status. So there you have it. Basically utilizing that kiosk installer script to get you started with the webrtc-cast. So thank you so much and have a great day.